Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to take a look at this 3761FL Cobalt full body paint with the Super Solar package from Keystone, Montana. This is the front living room. Please skip to 654 to see the inside. This is going to have the full body paint called Cobalt, so it's a darker color with a beautiful blue stripe on it. My absolute favorite color that Keystone, Montana offers. This is the 1200i, or also previously known as the Super Solar package. Up towards the front, there's your side vision camera. This customer, we installed 40-pound propane tanks. 30s are standard. There's plenty of room there for the 40s. The thing I love about Montana is every door is lockable, and you can see they've got the full paint on the handle as well. In your pass-through storage, motion sensor light, you've got your central vacuum bag up above. Awesome new steps, solid steps with a built-in gas strut. Virtually weightless. I'm doing this one-handed, as you can see. They've got new feet on them that can easily adjust, so if you're on uneven terrain, it's as easy as pulling that and even pushing that pin, bringing it back in. Again, full body paint, one of the 3 colors that Keystone offers. They do the best job I've ever seen any other brand do. G-range tires here on the Montana. With the road armor suspension system, so you've actually got a rubber piece in between your shackles and pivot point there, so where I'm pointing right here is going to absorb 33% of vibration in the coach by moving and absorbing. Tremendous amount of pass-through storage here in the back. This is directly below the bedroom and then the master rear bathroom. That's what the plumbing is that you see on the left side of your screen there. These are motion lights in here, and just a huge amount of pass-through storage. Look at the shine on that paint. And there's your drop for your toilet right there. But as you can see, you've got more space, and then the back here it even drops down further yet with a lot of storage. Just overall a very good job of finishing all the trimming out on this. Yes, your lines are exposed, but that makes it easy to work on if you need to. But everything is finished out with a nice trim piece on it, so traveling down the road it's going to hold up, not have any kind of weird wear marks. Up at the top we get the camera here that pairs in with the side camera I had started off with, and I'll show you another one here in a little bit. One thing I love, I kind of hit on real quick before we started, your baggage doors actually lock. Every single baggage door locks that you can see here. You've got a new locking tab to actually hold the door up as well with a magnet. They used to have struts on here in the past, and they did away with that to open that door up completely. However, they do prep it for you in case you wanted to add a strut system back in there. But really there's no need for it because that's a good setup. Slam latch doors. 12-gallon water heater, gas and electric. So this is part of the legacy package, the power cord reel. It's a winch style. 1 outlet for your septic. That's huge. For this long of a trailer to have only 1 outlet is very, very handy to have. Here's all your valves. So you've got a black tank and a gray tank I'm pulling onto there. So you've got the half bath right in the kitchen, and then the main master bath in the back of the trailer. Out is open, in is closed. This one's equipped with the RV fridge. You can see the black pieces for ventilation there on the side of that slide. Again, motion lights in your pass-through storage. That tool on your left is for the spare tire. Hopefully you never need that. Your wet bay, very well organized. Everything is in one central location. Has a bottom piece you can remove to run all the hoses up through. This is your other side camera. Automatic leveling, 6-point hydraulic level. Just turn it on, push that auto level button, and let it do its thing. This coach comes in at just over 13,000 pounds, rated at 16.6, 7,000 pound axles, and G-range tires. This customer, we installed the Gen Y hitch. It's the first one we've actually done, and it's a pretty nice system, I have to admit. It rides very nice. Up front here, you've got your hydraulic disc brakes pump right there on the bottom, and then up above that, that is for your slide outs and leveling system. Those blue cords are actually your power from your super solar setup that you have here. So you've got 600 amp hour batteries, which changes depending when you have ordered, to 3000 watt inverter. That is a standard, so that's going to power the entire trailer. Back behind that black sheet, you've got your solar controllers, main battery disconnect, all kinds of information I'd love to give you. Please send me a text or shoot me a call. My number is down below on the corner here. This is just some more fuses. The little black piece there with the red dot, that's your repeater for your tire pressure monitor system. What I'm pointing at here is that you can actually scan this on your phone with the QR code and pull up all user manuals for every single piece that Keystone has put in here from future sales. So it's a very user-friendly system. Top of the line Dragonfly batteries. It's the exact same thing as Battleborn, just a different name. All right, up on top we've got 300 watt solar panels. We have 4 total. Those are running down into where we were just looking. That's going to feed the batteries. Then that power goes through the inverter and up into the trailer. So just wanted to show you overall on this one. It's 41 foot, 2 air conditioners, and they are different types of air conditioners. You also get a power management system. There's a lot that goes into this super solar system, which gives it that $20,000 price tag. Again, please give me a holler. Information's down below for more information on this awesome trailer. Stepping inside, so this is the front living room. All kinds of changes here for 22. Very nice dinette, no carpet in it. Big windows. This one was ordered with dual pane windows, so it's going to help with insulation and sound. RV fridge. It is 18 cubic feet. All the cabinets and drawers are soft close, so that's very, very high end. There's some color match paint in case you happen to scratch or chip your trailer. You can easily touch it up. You got your flip top extension. Now let's go check out this freezer. This is huge. All right, for an RV fridge, runs on gas and electric, even has an ice maker. No cross member in between, so you can put a bunch of pizzas up in there. Ton of storage up there. Some of you might need a step stool, but that's okay. That's the RV life, baby. That's what it is. And down below, again, no divider in between there, so there's a lot of space. Sorry, my camera went a little crazy. Boom. There you have it. Ready for full-time use. Alright, stepping over to the stove. It is a 3-burner top, big oven, storage drawer underneath, full bank of drawers. The more drawers, the better. Solid surface counters. You've got a window there. Pop-up power station. So it's got USB and outlets. That one is actually, on this one it's inverted because the whole trailer is inverted, but a standard one that would be a specific inverted outlet. Big convection microwave. Ton of storage in this thing, all over the place, everywhere you turn. Deep storage too. Next to your half bath, you've got more storage just all over the place. And again, real deep storage. You can put all kind of stuff in there. Let me know in the comments below what you would put in there. Here's your half bath. So this is equipped with the, oh, real quick, look at that. I love every single detail that Montana manages to just nail right on the head. Didn't even hit the island, but yet it's a normal sized door. Cottage white interior. This is a standard on all bathrooms. You can actually get this cabinet color in the kitchen space if you love that white. Max air fan up on the top. Big porcelain toilet. It's a Dometic 310 toilet, so if that means anything to most RVers. King size bed on this one. That's a standard. You can opt for a king or a queen. I'm sorry. They did design new CPAP shelves that actually fit a CPAP machine. You've got a 110 outlet and then a USB port up above that. Look at that, that's a good 8-10 inches of space there. Plenty of room to put a CPAP up. Some storage underneath the bed. All right, so it's gonna come equipped with the folding chairs and your central vacuum hose. Big closet. You can do a stackable or side-by-side washer and dryer here. Nice barn style sliding door. Air conditioner, so each one now has a built-in filtration system. Nobody else in the industry is doing this except for the best, Keystone, Montana. Again, cottage white in the back here in the bathroom. Gonna go into a little bit more detail. Max air fan on the top again to get that moisture out or smells from this toilet. Again, a porcelain toilet, foot flush. There you've got a nice side window, light switches to the left. Ton of storage. I kept saying that earlier, but man, they put it everywhere in this thing. And drawers. I like to see that they put a drawer in there instead of just a random cabinet. More storage down in here, and your toilet paper holder. Yeah, that makes life easier. Big bowl, plenty of room to put your hands underneath and wash. A little flipper to plug that sink. Storage behind your mirrors, so a little medicine cabinet, I guess you could call it. Magnetic latches, soft close cabinet doors. Big beautiful shower. It is one-piece fiberglass. It doesn't look as pretty as some that have like the diamonds and bricks and stuff on them, but there's no maintenance to it, so that's pretty awesome to me. No having to worry about any leaks, sealing, just overall good look. Skylight there, you can fit, if you are 6'6", you can fit in that. So that's rare on a front living room with a vaulted bathroom in the back like this, that you can fit a taller person in here comfortably. All right, moving on back through up to the front. Check out what this living room is all about. This is equipped with cobblestone, which is a lighter sofa color. The other is bourbon, which is a darker brown. All right, got the fireplace rolling here. Those are trifold sofas. Those are the biggest that they put in a front living room slide. Deeper and wider than most. Also, the slide box is a little bit taller. Got a little divider here, so if you turn that sleeper sofa into a bed, you can give your guests some nice privacy, or yourself. They also have the half bath down there. Little handrail coming up, nice little touch there, Keystone. Again, that one's trifold as well. Leaves you about 6 inches of walking room in between if both of those are pulled out. There's your other air conditioning system with the filter. JBL sounds subwoofer, so that's cool. Gives it a little bit deeper effect. If you're watching a movie, it'll sound good. Nice big front window, makes you feel like you're in a castle. I always say those seats are power recline. They're heat massage. Freaking sweet chairs. 20 miles from the factory, folks. Nobody beats my prices or my information. I would love to earn your business. This is your tire pressure monitoring system. Comes straight from the factory. Monitors pressure and temperature. This blue bag has all of your warranty information and your 7-inch screen that comes with the legacy package. So that's where your cameras tie into. All right, so these are my friends from Arizona right now. They ordered that truck and trailer and got an awesome deal. They were very patient to work with, and hopefully this can be you on my next YouTube video. Give me a shout. Information's down below. See you soon.